Fundamentally, what iSET tries to do is to take practitioners from around the country and from internationally as well, and leave them with important information that they can take back and use the day they go back to their own programs to apply to their own patients to improve the quality of care and the innovation going on in their own institutions. To do that, we bring the latest and innovative procedures, technology, and approaches to complex vascular care. One of the things that iSET is best known for is the use of live case education. And what we try and do using advanced video technology and the latest techniques in transmission is to make the registrants in the audience feel that they're actually in the interventional suite. Over the past 31 years, Miami Cardiac and Vascular Institute has been committed to education of our peers for several reasons. One is that we're involved in very innovative things, and so we have a lot new to offer. But we're also fundamentally interested in education, and we have, in fact, educated thousands of people through various methods, including iSET.